Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, make a great choice today with 2012 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.